What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So today we are just doing a little bit of painting. So I had to order that plate right there. I cannot hold my cams in place because I do not have that plate. So I have to order that plate right there. So until that plate comes in, I guess we are going to just finish up painting. Well, guys, that is how the plates will look. I'll probably come back and hit it one more time, maybe tomorrow, finish letting it dry. But that is how those are going to look. So those are going to be on the side. This is the transmission. The plate is the same as the transmission. So that's going to be pretty much, well, kind of behind it, like that. So that's going to go there. And then this is pretty much, this sits on top of there. So this will be just like this, with the transmission right here. Me. The motor itself is so sparkly. The sun kind of went down on me, but it is so sparkly and it looks really freaking good. And it looks really good. So this, when it all goes back together, all goes back together, it will sit in with the white bay. So yeah, I think this is gonna look awesome with the white rims, with the gray. Oh man, guys, I think this is gonna look super sick. I ordered that from Euro Tuning. I ordered the plate that goes right here for the timing. I ordered the timing plate, and I also ordered the clutch alignment kit too. So I guess that'll take 2 days to come in. So I guess in that time, I'll go ahead and start putting the motor. And then by the time all that comes in, I'll have this all back together and ready to go back in. So yeah, I think the progress is coming really good, guys. This gray came out really freaking awesome. I'm so proud of that. I love it. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Mama, wanna say bye? Say bye.
Bye.
Remember, guys, have an awesome day.